Afternoon, we are in Calcutta at the Dalhousie Institute, and it's an EIMG organized event. And we have some wonderful cars out here. And one car which has been a standout in most of these classic and vintage car rallies and events is Mr Lahiri's famous Nilu, the Plymouth, which has got a lovely story which Mr Lahiri will share with us today.
The car originally belonged to famous singer, legendary singer, Mr Hemanta Mukherjee. My father purchased it from him. I have the original receipt signed by him. I am still preserving it as a very precious memento. And till then, the car is with our family, and I myself consider it to be the custodian of my family relics. It has got a immense provenance, but somehow the car has really taken the place as a family member. Now, the car was stored for approximately 40 years while I was abroad, and when I came back, I restored it to its original glory as much as possible. It still operates on original 6 volt, and it has got everything original. I lovingly call it Nilu because the color is the same as before the original color. It took me a long time to get the original color code to match it, but somehow I was able to do it. Now the car just drives like a dream, and everybody loves it.
We hear that you personally do a lot of tinkering time to time, and it's part of your passion and your hobby to ensure things are ship shape. So tell us, give us some notable insights of what you personally have done. I know you do a lot of electrical work, and time to time we see your comments on the website, on our websites and our groups, that okay, I have this issue, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. So how do you do the problem solving? Because after all, it's
problem is being 6 volt electrical system is a big problem to get the bulbs. So few of them I have changed it, made a circuit by myself to LED. And nowadays 6 volt batteries are not manufactured in India. Whatever battery you get, that is not up to the mark. And when the car is hot and bit advanced, this 6 volt battery is not being able to give the adequate amperage to turn the engine. So somewhere I have discreetly provided a 12 volt battery and made a circuit all by myself, wherein by a flick of a switch, when I want to start it, it will give that some sort of help, they call it, to start the engine.
Kind of a boost, you would say.
You can say a booster, momentary booster to start the engine. And if you like to see how it is, I can start the engine and you can see it.
That would be fantastic. Let's do it.
I will not get into the car. I will just
Wow, almost soundless.
Yes.
Chippers.
I don't have to sit in the. I don't have to sit.
Can you hear it? Can you hear them? The smooth beat. Absolutely brilliant.
কোনো আওয়াজই নেই তো লাইভে? হ্যাঁ, কোনো আওয়াজই নেই।
এর ইঞ্জিনের সাউন্ড